Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an install going for the Bronco. It's basically one of the first mods I'm doing to it. Besides the, I did the antenna and I did the screen cover or whatever. But this is going to be a true mod. What I'm saying, that I'm actually adding to the Bronco. So let's go ahead and get it started. What I have here is night lights. It's an LED light bar. So this kit, I'm going to show you guys. In this kit, I have the light bars for the, let's see, light bars to go here. So I have those. So we'll go like that. So I have two of those in there. I have the wires, the switch and everything. So inside we have these are the two brackets. We have those. We have two lights. We also have some plugs and some fuses. Other Allen key, some bolts. I'm not going to use all of those because the hardware that's on here already can be reused. We also have the switches, have a relay. So I have a switch, relay, plug and play, both sides, and positive and a ground. So as few of the tools is going to be needed. I have a 10mm socket, have a T25 and a T30 along with my drill bit, and there's one more hardware that's an Allen key that's inside the package or whatever. So those are the only tools I'm going to need. So let's go ahead and get this started. First, what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and get this antenna out the way. So that way we have enough room to play around with, because this has to be raised. This is a T25 and this is a T30. So with the first one, you have the piece here. So what we're gonna do is gonna raise this up. So that's to pop up. So I'm gonna have to let this down a little bit. Now, we're gonna see what I'm doing. I'm fishing the wire through. So I'm trying my best to use the the hands I got. So I'll be back. So about here is where the wire is gonna sit, because the harness, the mounting bracket itself is gonna sit here. So you do that and then run the wire to the driver's side. So see these clips here? They just pop right up. See how that raises up? That allows you to run the wires to the other side. So you just make sure that these are all clamped down. You see how the cord runs out the side here. You need to make sure that once you put this back on, that it tucks up under the windshield. It's a space under the bottom that when you put it back in, it needs to come out a little bit and then tuck down. So that gives you the clearance and everything. So everything is tucked in on this side. Try to show you guys on this side what I mean. So see how this right here, let me see if I can get the angle, sticks out. Just make sure that this is all the way to the side, and then this part, did you hear the click? So you see how that's now flush. So you have those flush. And then once you check up under the hood, all the clips should be there. These are the two mounting brackets here. See, I had to get a step stool. These things sit high. I'm 6 feet, but I still had to get on a step stool to feed the wire through the middle. But that goes there. Away, because I might have to move. So here, if you look, holes on that side, and it's two holes on this side. So you have 4 bolts and 4 washers. They need to go in, and they'll go here on the side. So I have one mounted already. See, I still has room around to move, which is what I like. Because if you need to point this anywhere, then that's great. So I'm not gonna hook up the wires until I get everything hooked up. You know what I'm saying? Once I get the other like mount, the switch ran and everything like that. But this is pretty much what it looks like here. So everything's ran. Just nothing's plugged up yet. So I have to run the switch. This is the switch here. So the switch needs to be ran, and it runs through here, which is pretty convenient. So just poke that out. So got that in there. So you see the hole, run the wire out, run the wire up and through here. So I got that through. Just make sure you pull that tab out. So it's all on there. Yep. So it's all under there. And then here, you can run your switch however you want. I'm going to mount it up here somewhere. I haven't really figured out yet, so I'll play around with a good spot to mount the switch. So, but those wires are ran, and it's time to do the electrical part. So we do have a fuse here, and on this, you know, you have a clip on this back side here. So just flick that, raise it up, so you have different terminals here that you can actually use. So if you want to get more screws or whatever to run more power, I'm saying to get more power outlets or whatever, you just get 2 screws for these 2 and put those on. So I believe those are 10 mil. Yes, so those are 10 mil. So I'm gonna remove that, do the power, and then here we have a 10 mil for the ground. Before we hook up the power or whatever, go ahead and plug these in. All the excess wires along with the relay, you just tuck that. If you see, there's plenty of space back here, just so you get a couple zip ties, and that way you can just go ahead and tuck that back. But before I do that, let's go ahead and turn these lights on. So I am in the garage, so this is it. This product, I would try to put the link in. So this product here, I'll put the link in the description box. This product, man, it was only 30 bucks. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't 90, you know what I'm saying, or 100 like those other lights. I don't really see the big difference between the other lights and these, because I bought a set of both and I tested them out, and it seemed to get the same results. But these were 30 on Amazon. The only issue with this, you may have to extend one of the wires, you know, but not by that much. So it's only a ground. It's only a ground and a positive. So you do that, you're in business. They mount up good. You know, like I said, you know, I'm doing mods for the Bronco now. I still got, you know, some stuff to do with the slingshot, but nothing that's major. So it's on to the Bronco. I got a lot of stuff coming forward, a lot of content. So you guys just stand by. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a blessed day.